What's happening, YouTube, Facebook family? Just working on a 2012 Chevy Cruze. Had some front end damage, came from another shop. It was kind of doing some shady work, so we're gonna try to straighten it out, straighten out the core support, and see if we can't put it back together and get this thing fixed up for the customer. You know, it's been a while since I put up a video, so hope you enjoy. Alright, we got the front bumper cover off and getting ready to try to show you the damage and see what we can do to try to straighten it out. Alright, so as you can see, that's pushed back pretty far. Compared to this side. So I'm probably going to remove this plastic cover piece here. And that's probably where I'm going to start pulling my chain. And I have a Porta Power 10-ton along with a 5-ton ram puller. So I'm gonna try and see if we can pull this back in the right spot. All right, as you can see, I got the 5-ton pullback ram, and I got it hooked onto the core support. And we're gonna see if we can work some of this back out and keep going back and forth until we get it where we want it. You don't want to go too fast, which is not going to go too fast anyway, but just kind of pace yourself. Take your time. You definitely don't want this to have too much tension, snap out of place, and it injures you. So wear your protective gear. Try to stay out the way and be safe. Just trying to work some of it in. I don't have the greatest spot right now, but we're going to be doing some moving around, putting it in different spots, hooking it up a little bit different so that we can get this thing to pull back out. Hopefully you're getting a little footage on it actually coming back like it's supposed to. You hear a little popping and cracking. I don't know if you're catching that on the camera, but we're getting some type of movement. You want to pull it back as much as you can, because once we release the fluid, it is going to go back into the position it was before. So you're only getting so much pull out of it. And that's why we have to go back, find different spots, keep working it out. But we'll get it. We'll release the tension, readjust the car, find us another better spot. I think we're pretty close to where we need to be at. I'm gonna try to put the hood on, see how close we are. Alright, so we got the hood on, pre-lined up. not really all the way fitted, but just wanted to make sure we had it. Core support line back up, and now we have the hood being able to latch all the way and unlatch. So we got it latched. This is my 10-ton hydraulic body frame kit, along with my 5-ton pullback ram. I recommend this setup for anybody looking to fix a vehicle with heavy damage to the frame, core support, some of the heavier structure of the vehicle, such as this vehicle here. As you can see, straightened it out pretty good. You can get these at different locations. You can get them on the internet. So just kind of do your research for them. I'm sure you can find some at a reasonable cost. I believe I was under $200 for my complete setup that you see here, along with some other pieces that go with the kit that is not viewed right now. But I think it's a nice investment that could possibly make you nice profits if you buy and sell cars. So just wanted to give you a quick little view of what I'm using here in my shop. All right, family, so this is your boy, the People's Champ, Underground Paint King. That's part 1. Part 2 coming soon. Try to show you more footage of getting the hood together, getting the rest of the body together, and doing some paint work. And this channel is basically for the do-it-yourselfers. I know I have a shop, but I won't be doing a whole lot of technical terms and stuff like that. This is going to be more for get her done type people, do-it-yourselfers. You know, a lot more action and a lot less talking, even though I might do a little bit more talking than you might like. But we're going to be about some action too. We're going to have some fun. Hopefully I can make this channel interesting for people and show you that you can do it too. If you believe, you can achieve, baby. All right now, Underground Paint King, we out.